the best, probably the best place I've ever stayed, especially on a motorcycle ride. It's got a great little living area. After a long day, I had a really long day yesterday of riding. Came back, and there's a massage chair. So it was a pretty cool experience yesterday getting back and put a little show on and was getting a massage at the end of the day, and my body was sore. So anyway, I'm gonna get going. It's a beautiful morning. Ready to get going out here. Bike's out here. Cool little ranch. Let's get going. Well, I'm definitely falling in love with Colorado. I mean, it's really hard not to. This is one of the most beautiful rides I've ever done. I'm in this rest stop called No Name Rest Stop. I think it's near Glenwood Canyon. I mean, it's just so beautiful. What an incredible experience. I'm just getting the day started. Been riding for a little while. Just get to explore Colorado today. I mean, it's just absolutely breathtaking everywhere. I'm just so grateful to be here, another day on the earth and alive, and to be on this journey and path and adventure. And I mean, it's just really amazing. So Colorado is incredible. I'm just loving this. Taking a little break in this beautiful town of Vail. It's a very popular spa, very ritzy. There's a reason this is absolutely gorgeous. And it looks like I'm in a village in Switzerland or somewhere in Europe like that. And this is just a really cool little area to walk through, and hopefully my bike doesn't get towed. I just kind of pulled over and just been walking around. So like a piece of paradise out here in Vail. Weather is amazing. I mean, you definitely have to be a multimillionaire if you want to consider living here. But yeah, it's really cool. It's a really beautiful place. This was a gorgeous ride to get here. I mean, just amazing. And it's just nice to take a little break and enjoy it. So these houses here though are just off the charts. The architecture, the styles, everything. I mean, it's just first class. I kind of expected it, but it honestly exceeds your expectations if you can come out here. So I've been just walking a little bit and then get back on the bike, and I got to get out of here, unfortunately, and start heading north. Riding for a while just on this gorgeous highway outside of Silverthorne, heading north towards Wyoming today. Look at these gorgeous backdrops behind me of these mountains. You just really can't beat it. It's just absolutely spectacular. And just stunning farm fields, and it's just heaven to be on a motorcycle right now. I am unfortunately getting pretty low on gas, so I'm actually getting a little worried. I have no service right here, and I don't know when the next town is. I've seen no gas for a while, so yeah, I need to be a little better about that. Hopefully I can find gas soon, so let's keep going. Taking a break in this cool little town called Walden, Colorado, and gonna get kind of a late lunch. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah, kind of want to walk around downtown, just get some movement. I've been riding most of the day, so it's nice to take a little break and check out a couple little shops, get some food, and then continue on the direction I'm going. I've been lucky today. But it definitely looks kind of rainy, definitely dark clouds in the distance, so last trek today might be a wet one. I am chilling in Laramie, Wyoming. It was a great day. Riding through Colorado was exceptional. I mean, riding through Colorado was epic. I mean, that's the word I would use for it. I've probably said it in other videos, but that was probably the best motorcycle riding that I've ever experienced in my life. I mean, just the stunning views, the country, the mountains, the trail, the road I took was just exceptional too. I loved it. I was able to ride through Vail and a lot of really beautiful areas, which was cool. But then I really like getting out to the open country with the farms and the cowboys and like, you know, just kind of that rugged old school country. Just absolutely beautiful. And anyway, now I'm just chilling here. This Airbnb is sweet. I'll give a little tour of it or something, and go hang out and go walk around downtown Laramie later. We'll get some dinner, see what's up out here. Coming into Laramie was gnarly. There were some crosswinds that, those are scary. Beautiful riding all day till the very end, basically coming into Laramie, and the crosswinds were just almost knocking me off the highway, which was terrifying, but just had to go real slow.